Hello students, today we are going to write exercise 7.3 question number 2. Divide and check the answers using the rule. So quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder equal to dividend. Okay, so first we will do the division sums, then according to this formula we will put the numbers and we will see our answer is right or wrong. So number 1, 85 divided by 15. So 15 we will write outside and 85 we will write inside. Now in 15 table when 85 will come, yes, 15 5 is 75, then 15 6 is 90. So 90 is the greater number compared to 85, we can't able to subtract. So we will write 15 5 is 75. Subtract 5 minus 5 0, 8 minus 7 1. Now 10 is the smaller number compared to 15. So here we will stop our division. Now we will put according to the formula. So quotient equal to 5 and remainder equal to 10. So what is our rule? That is quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder equal to dividend. So what is our quotient? That is 5 multiply by divisor equal to this one. This one is the divisor. So that is 15 plus then remainder equal to 10. So we will get here dividend as at 85, right? So 15 5 that is 75 plus 10. So 75 plus 10 we will get 85. So see our dividend, what is that? 85. So our sum is correct. Now number 2, 245 divided by 18. So we will take first two digit, that is 24. Now we have to see in 18 table when 24 will come. 18 1 is 18, 18 2 is 36. So 36 is the greater number compared to 24. We can't able to subtract. So we will take 18 1 is 18. Now we will do subtraction. 4 minus 8 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 2. So this 2 will become 1 and this 4 will become 14. So 14 minus 8 we will get 6. 1 minus 1 0. So now we will carry down this 5. It will become 65. Now in 18 table when 65 will come, 18 1 is 18, 18 2 is 36, 18 3 is 54, 18 4 is 72. So 72 is the greater number, right? So we can't able to subtract. So we will take 18 3 is 54. Now we will do subtraction. 5 minus 4 1, 6 minus 5 1. So our remainder equal to 11. So 11 is the smaller number, we can't able to divide. So here we will stop our division. So our quotient equal to 13 and remainder equal to 11. Now we will put this in our rule. So quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder. So quotient equal to, that is 13 multiply by divisor is 18 plus remainder equal to 11. So first we have to see 13 18 is how much? So 13 multiply by 18. So 8 3 is 24. So 4 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. Now 8 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 10. Now we will multiply by 10's place digit, that is 1. Before that we will write here 0. Now 1 3 is 3. 1 1 is 1. Now we will add here 4 plus 0 4. 0 plus 3 3. 1 plus 1 2. So 234 plus 11 equal to, we will get 245. So see our dividend 245. So our sum is correct. Now number 3, 725 divided by 25. So 725 we will write inside and 25 we will write outside. So we will take two digit, that is 72. Now in 25 table when 72 will come, 25 1 is 25, 25 2 is we will multiply and we will see 2 5 is 10, 0 1 will be carried over, 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 5, that is 50. Now 25 3 is 3 5 is 15. So 5 we will write down, 1 will be carried over, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 75. So 75 is greater than 72. So 2 we will take 25 2 is 50. So 2 we will write here quotient and 50 we will write down. Now we will subtract 2 minus 0 2, 27 minus 5, 2. So 22 is the smaller number compared to 25. So we will carry down this 5. So it will become 225. Now in 25 table, when 225 will come, so we have to multiply and see. So 25 8s we will see. 8 5s are 40. So 0 we will write down. 4 will be carried over. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4, 20. So that is 200. Now we will see 25 9s also. 9 5s are 45. So 5 we will write down. 4 will be carried over. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4, 22. So that is 225. So 25 9s are 225. So now we have to subtract 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So our quotient equal to 29 and remainder equal to 0. Now we will put this in a rule. So quotient, that is 29, multiplied by divisor is 25 plus remainder equal to 0. Now 29 multiplied by 25. 29 multiplied by 25. So 5 9s are 45. So 5 we will write down. 4 will be carried over. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Now we will write here 1 0. Now 2 9s are 18. So 8 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Now we will add 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 8, 12. So 2 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. So that is 725 plus 0 equal to 725. So see our dividend, that is 725. So our sum is correct. Now number 4, 758 divided by 19. So 758 we will write inside and 19 we will write outside. So first we will take 2 digit, that is 75. So in 19 table, when 75 will come, 19 1s are 19, 19 2s are 38, 19 3s are 57, 19 4s are 76. So 76 is the greater number compared to 75. We can't able to subtract. So we will take 19 3s are 57. Now we will do subtract. 5 minus 7 is possible? No, we have to borrow from 7. So this 7 will become 6 and this 5 will become 15. Now 15 minus 7 we will get 8. 6 minus 5, 1. Now 18 is the smaller number compared to 19. So we will carry down this 8 also. So it will become 188. Now in 19 table, when 188 will come, 19 5s are 95, 19 6s are 114, 19 7s are 133, 19 8s are 152, 19 9s are 171 and 19 10s are 190. So we will take 19 9s are 171. So 8 minus 1, 7, 8 minus 7, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So here we will stop our division. So our quotient equal to 39 and remainder equal to 17. So now we will put in the rule. So quotient 39 multiplied by divisor equal to 19. 19 plus remainder equal to 17. So 39 multiplied by 19. So 39 multiplied by 19. So 9 9s are 81. So 1 we will write down. 8 will be carried over. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 8, that is 35. Now we will write here 1 0. Now 1 9s are 9. 1 3s are 3. Now we will add 1 plus 0, 1. 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9, 14. So 4 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So 741. So here we will write 741 plus 17. So 741 plus 17. So that is 1 plus 7, 8. 4 plus 1, 5. And 7 we will carry down. That is 758. So see our dividend. That is 758. So our sum is correct. Now number 5. 974 divided by 24. Okay, so 974 we will write inside and 24 we will write outside. So first we will see the 2 digit, that is 97. In 24 table, when 97 will come, 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, then 24 threes are 3 fours are 12, 1, 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Now 24 fours are 4 fours are 16, 6, 1, 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So 96. So we will take 24 fours are 96. So 7 minus 6 1, 9 minus 9 0. Now we will carry down this 4. So 14 is the smaller number compared to 24. Now ahead we can't able to do division. So here we will stop our division, right? So quotient equal to, so here we can't able to do the division. So we have carried down the number. So what we have to do in quotient, we will write here 0. Okay. So our quotient equal to 40 and remainder equal to 14. So we will put in the rule. Quotient equal to 40 multiply by divisor equal to 24 plus remainder equal to 14. Now 40 multiply by 24. Now 4 zeros are 0, 4 fours are 16. Now we will multiply by 2. Before that we will write 0. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8. Now we will add 0, 6 plus 0, 6, 1 plus 8, 9. So that is 960 plus 14. So we will get 974. So see our dividend, that is 974. So our sum is correct. Now number 6. 9932 divided by 31. So 9932 we will write inside and 31 we will write outside. So first we will take the 2 digit, that is 99. In 31 table when 99 will come, 31 ones are 31, 31 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 62. Now 31 threes are 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So 93 is the nearby number. Okay, so we will take 31 threes are 93. Now we will do subtraction. 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 9, 0. Now we will carry down this 3. So it will become 63. So 31 threes are 93. This is the greater number. So we will take 31 twos are 62. So 2 we will write in quotient and 62 we will write down. So 3 minus 2, 1, 6 minus 6, 0. Now we will carry down this 2, it will become 12. But 12 is the smaller number compared to 31, right? So here we will stop our division. So in quotient we will write 0. Okay. So because we have carried the digit down. So here we will write 0. So our quotient equal to 320 and remainder equal to 12. So now we will put in the rule. Quotient equal to 320 multiply by divisor equal to 31 plus remainder equal to 12. Now 320 multiply by 31. So 320 multiply by 31. 1 0 is a 0, 1 2 is a 2, 1 3 is a 3. Now we will put 1 0 here. So 3 0 is a 0, 3 2 is a 6, 3 3 is a 9. Now we will add 0, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus 6, 9. Then 9 we will carry down. So that is 9920 plus 12. So we will get 9932. So see our dividend, that is 9932. So our sum is correct. Thank you.